Hello kids, let's learn some colors: yellow, blue, green, red, pink, orange, dark blue, light pink, green. These are the colors. Today we are going to write cursive ABCD. A B C D E F G H I J K L
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
N O P Q R S
ABCD EFG HIJK LMNOP QRS TUV
U
WXYZ. Now I
W
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
X Y Z
ABCD EFG HIJK LMNOP QRS TUV WXYZ. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
R S T U V W X Y and Z. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.